Today we are talking about a Bitcoin wallet that brings together all the major Bitcoin networks. We have on-chain Bitcoin, the Liquid network, the Lightning network, all inside one simple mobile app. This is Aqua Wallet and it's becoming one of the best tools for everyday Bitcoin users. Let me break down why. Aqua Wallet is a self-custodial Bitcoin wallet that is designed to be extremely easy to use. Unlike most Bitcoin wallets that only support one layer of Bitcoin, Aqua supports three. It supports the Bitcoin L1, the Liquid network, and the Lightning network. Meaning you can store, send, and spend your Bitcoin in the manner that makes the most sense for you. Now here's the part that most people don't know. Aqua Wallet has an interesting history. It was originally launched by Blockstream in 2020. Yes, the same company that created the Liquid network, the sidechain for fast and confidential Bitcoin transactions. Blockstream built Aqua Wallet to make it easier for users to start using L-BTC and assets like USDT on the Liquid network. Later, the development of Aqua Wallet was taken over by JAN3, a Bitcoin infrastructure company led by Muun. JAN3 focuses on global Bitcoin adoption, especially in the global south. And right now, Aqua Wallet is their flagship wallet. Let's talk about the three Bitcoin networks that Aqua Wallet brings together. First, we have on-chain Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin layer 1. This is the base layer for Bitcoin. It's best for storing and securing your Bitcoin for long-term investments. It's also best for savings, hodling, and high-value transfers. Second, we have the Liquid network. This one is the one built by Blockstream. This is a sidechain that is focused on speed and privacy. It uses L-BTC that is pegged one-to-one with Bitcoin. The transactions on this network are fast, predictable, and confidential. The Liquid network supports tokenized assets like USDT on the Liquid network, security tokens, and other financial assets. It's mostly popular among traders, businesses, and exchanges for settlements. Third, we have the Lightning network for instant BTC payments. It's used for ultra-fast, super cheap payments. This network is perfect for everyday use cases like buying goods, microtransactions, and paying online. The Aqua Wallet makes Lightning very beginner-friendly. The big selling point, Aqua gives you the full Bitcoin experience, savings, fast transfers, and instant payments all in one app. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. So we are here onto our Aqua Wallet and now I want to see how to interact with this wallet. So for this one, I've said it's a non-custodial wallet. It simply means that you'll be in full control of your Bitcoin. You need to write down your phrases, store them safely, and keep them away from prying eyes because those are the keys to your Bitcoin. So in here, Aqua Wallet shows you the price of Bitcoin. Currently it's 91 for $22,000. And then you have the receive, send, and scan. So for scan one, you'll simply use it to make payments on the Lightning network. Then it's divided into savings account, which is the Bitcoin L1. We have the spending accounts, which is the L2. That's Liquid network, and also the Lightning network. So for spending, it's divided into two parts. We have the Liquid and the Lightning. If at all I click on the L2 BTC, then I'm being presented with the receive button and the send. So if I click to receive or send, we have the lightning and also the liquid. So it supports 3 chains. If at all you are seeing L2 and you are not seeing the liquid, that L2 supports both lightning and the liquid. And then the savings account now supports only the Bitcoin on-chain one. So if at all you wanted to store your Bitcoin for long-term investment, then you'd actually peg out from L2 and go into the Bitcoin, which is now the on-chain L1. So that one you'll actually do it safely here using the swap feature, which is integrated into Aqua Wallet. Okay, now there's more parts here. There's the marketplace, then there's the settings. So the marketplace, you can see the merchants that are here. You can use the BTC map in order to find those people who are now enabling you to buy Bitcoin from their stores. You can also buy Bitcoin here. You can just click to buy Bitcoin, and now you can see this provider being shown here, Meld, and then there's the swap. So this one utilizes the side swap peer-to-peer services. So you can actually use your own Bitcoin. You can either use the L2 BTC or the Bitcoin, and there's also Tether. So that's what the side swap enables you to do, to swap your Bitcoins. Then there's the Dolphin card. So just under the settings, you can see there's the language. Then you can change your preferred reference rates. Either you can get prices from Bitfinex, Bitstamp, CoinGecko. Mine, I've set it to CoinGecko. You can change your selected currency. For me, I prefer to use the US dollar, as much as I'm a Kenyan, but I want to see my currencies in the USD. So you have your region here, explorers. You can just go, you can either go with blockstream.info or mempool.space. And then the themes here, you can change either the light mode, dark mode, or both. But mine, I like the dark mode. So that's it about this app. You'll need to actually back up your seed phrases. Just click on view seed phrases, and then you can now back up those seed phrases in order to have your assets into your own hands. Then there's the security. You can either turn on or off the biometric authentication, and then there's also the passcode. So you have added layer of security. You have the passphrase, and you also have the biometric and the passcode. So there's so much security with this wallet. So just go back to our wallet, and now we want to receive. So I'm saying that this wallet supports 3 chains. There's the Bitcoin, there's the liquid, and then there's the lightning. So if at all I wanted to receive Bitcoin into this wallet, I want fast transaction and I want to pay very low fees. Most exchanges don't support the liquid network, they support the lightning network, as we've seen from my previous video. I'll link it into the description so that you can actually go back and see how I interacted with the lightning network. So we are using, on that video I was using OKX to withdraw Bitcoin using the lightning network. You can either use Binance, it also supports the lightning network. So if at all I wanted to receive Bitcoin into my Aqua Wallet, I'd actually use the lightning network, because most exchanges don't support the liquid network. So to do that, just click on L2 Bitcoin under the spending account, then we click on receive. So when you click on receive, there's the lightning and then there's the liquid. So I'm saying most exchanges don't support liquid, so go with the lightning. So we click here to set our sats. So I'll click on 4400 sats. So that's like $4.02. Then I generate the invoice. So I already have here my invoice. I just click to copy it. I have some funds on my Muun wallet, which is a lightning network wallet. So just click here to get in. So as you can see, I have here some 4500 sats, which is $4.11. Then I click to send. Because I've already generated my invoice from Aqua Wallet, I just click here to copy it, and then it's allowing me to continue. So that one is bold, to bold CLN, then amount 4400 sats. Network fee is that amount of sat. So if at all, this invoice will expire in 11 hours and 59 minutes, that's 12 hours. So if at all I don't use it past 12 hours, then it will expire and no one can actually use it. So I want to increase my sats because I'm seeing I'm only going to spend 2 sats as my transaction fee. So I'll bump up my sats, what I want to get here. So let's just go back and click receive again, and I click 4498 generate. So let's just click on receive again, and then we paste what we've generated for the second time. So total of 4500 sats, that's what I have in my Muun wallet. And then we click on send. So we are sending that amount. You can see it's already gone. It's super fast, guys, to interact with this Lightning network. So we swim with the dolphin. Let's see if at all it's already here. It should be showing under my L2. But now what happens is that when you send funds from a wallet that supports the Lightning network, you can see it's already reflected. I had $3 here, it's now $7. So what happens when you send to Aqua Wallet, the Lightning network will be now converted to the Liquid network, because this one, it automatically converts that Lightning token into the L2, which is the Liquid network. So it can take a bit longer if at all you are sending it to a wallet of Satoshi that's it's specifically for Lightning network. Now you can see I don't have funds here because it's already gone. So it's super fast with Bolt. Now it will go from Lightning and then into Liquid when it lands over to the Aqua Wallet. But as much as it's taking some few seconds as compared to interacting with a Lightning and a Lightning network, it's super fast compared to something like the Bitcoin L1. So this is the Aqua Wallet, and now we want to go to the next part where you peg out or peg in. So now I want to transfer this coin into the Bitcoin L1 so that I can store it for long term. If I totally wanted to do transactions, then I'd actually just have it here under the spending account. Then if at all I wanted to make some payment, I just click to scan and get the QR code of what I want to make payments for. Then once I scan that QR code, then my L2 Bitcoin would actually be spent. So you can see here, this is the amount that I have here, $109 so far. But now because this one it's $7, I just want to show you if at all you wanted to now get your Bitcoin from Liquid network into actually the Bitcoin itself. So we'll just click on this swap feature, and then we are going to be transferring our L2 Bitcoin to Bitcoin itself. So how much do we have here? Balance is that one. For the L2 Bitcoin, that is 7,900 sats. So let me say I clicked 5,000 sats. Okay, now this one is not going with the sat, that's for the Lightning. So because it's L-BTC, the Lightning, I just click to 0. I just need to click 0.00005. Okay, now he's saying the minimum amount that I need to exchange is 0.00025. This is how many zeros? This is 4 zeros. So I'll not be in a position to actually do the conversion, but this is how to actually do it. If at all you have amount that allows you to convert, then just click on swap, and then you click to Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin L1. So we are pegging out from Liquid to Bitcoin. So that's simply what you are doing here. And then the conversion rate is 99.9%. So you will be getting 99.9% of what you are swapping. Is this 0.1% fee? So that's what you are going to be paying. It's very negligible, almost nothing. So this is how now you need to peg in, peg out. So if at all you wanted to store your Bitcoin for long-term investment, then you'd actually have them being swapped into your savings account. And if you now want to withdraw your savings to your exchange, just use the Lightning Network, peg into the L2, then click here and then you click to send. You get the address from your exchange, from Binance, OKX, or any other exchange that supports the Lightning Network. Put that Lightning address, then you will have your funds being sent over to that exchange in the most efficient way. Very fast, very efficient, very cost effective. I hope you've gotten value with this Aqua Wallet. It's one of the best tools that I want to now start using in order to stack my sats, stack my BTC, because most of the time I've had my coins sitting on exchanges, but that's not a very smart move. That's not how to wisely invest with Bitcoin. You need to have full custody of your wallet, and this Aqua Wallet enables me to store my Bitcoin on-chain. It allows me to fast send my Bitcoin, and also my fees are so tiny, so I don't waste much gas or much money onto network or blockchain. If you've gotten value from this video, just remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and also share this video to any other person that wants to use the Aqua Wallet. It's a wallet that your grandmother can use. So let's share the knowledge, let's spread the news about this Aqua, and I'll catch you in the next one.